Artificial intelligence, AI, has been a transformative force in modern life for decades, its impact on society growing more profound with each passing year. While some may view AI as a recent phenomenon, its rich history stretches back to the 1950s, when visionaries like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the groundwork for this revolutionary field. A legacy of progress. Over the years, AI has undergone a remarkable evolution, advancing from early rule-based systems to the sophisticated deep learning models of today. This journey has been marked by countless breakthroughs, as AI has successfully tackled complex problems and improved lives across various sectors, including healthcare, enhancing diagnosis accuracy and streamlining patient care; finance, detecting fraud and optimizing investment strategies; logistics, streamlining supply chain management and transportation; entertainment, creating immersive experiences and personalized content. As we reflect on AI's history, it becomes clear that its impact is not a recent development, but rather the culmination of decades of innovation and progress. This realization sparks an aha moment, illuminating the vast potential of AI to reshape industries and address pressing global challenges. A future of endless possibilities. As we look to the future, the possibilities for AI-driven transformation are limitless. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, learn from patterns, and adapt to new situations, AI is poised to revolutionize industries. From healthcare to education, AI will continue to optimize processes and improve outcomes, address global challenges, tackling climate change, inequality, and access to healthcare, among others, enhance human lives, amplifying productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. Join the journey as we uncover the vast potential of artificial intelligence and explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Early beginnings, 1950s to 1960s. The seeds of AI were sown in the 1950s, a decade that marked the beginning of a revolutionary journey. It was an era of innovation, curiosity, and vision, laying the foundation for the transformative technology we know today. A defining moment, the Dartmouth Conference, 1956. The Dartmouth Conference, attended by pioneers like Alan Turing, Marvin Minsky, and John McCarthy, was a watershed event in AI's history. It was here that the term artificial intelligence was officially coined, setting the stage for the field's rapid evolution. Pioneers of AI. These early trailblazers played a significant role in shaping AI's future. Alan Turing proposed the Turing test, a measure of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, that of a human. Marvin Minsky, co-founder of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology MIT AI Laboratory, known for his work on neural networks and the theory of artificial neural networks. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and organized the 1956 Dartmouth Conference, making significant contributions to the development of AI. These visionaries laid the groundwork for the next generation of AI researchers, paving the way for the remarkable advancements that would follow in the decades to come. Rule-based expert systems, 1970s to 1980s. As AI research continued to advance, the 1970s and 1980s witnessed the birth of the first AI programs and languages. This era saw the development of rule-based expert systems, which revolutionized industries by automating tasks and enhancing efficiency. Key milestones. First AI programming languages. Languages like Prolog and Lisp emerged, enabling the creation of AI applications. Expert systems. Rule-based systems were developed to mimic human expertise in specific domains, such as medical diagnosis and financial planning. Industrial applications. AI was applied in healthcare, finance, and other sectors to automate tasks, improve accuracy, and reduce costs. Impact and legacy. The rule-based expert systems of this era paved the way for future AI advancements, demonstrated AI's potential for practical applications, laid the foundation for modern expert systems and knowledge management. This period marked a significant step forward in AI's evolution, showcasing its potential to transform industries and improve decision-making processes. Machine learning and AI winter, 1990s to 2000s. The 1990s were marked by a mix of challenges and advancements in the AI landscape. Machine learning advancements. Despite the funding decline, machine learning emerged as a vital aspect of AI research, enabling systems to learn from data and improve their performance. Key developments included algorithmic advancements. Researchers refined machine learning algorithms, such as decision trees and neural networks. Data-driven approaches. The focus shifted from rule-based systems to data-driven learning, paving the way for modern AI applications. The AI winter. The decline in funding, dubbed the AI winter, posed significant challenges to researchers, forcing many to seek alternative funding sources or pivot to other fields. However, this period also fostered resilience and determination. Researchers continued to push the boundaries of AI, driven by their passion for innovation, paved the way for future growth. The groundwork laid during this period set the stage for AI's resurgence in the 21st century. The 1990s demonstrated the tenacity and dedication of AI researchers, who continued to drive progress despite adversity, ultimately shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Modern AI 2010s present. The 2010s marked a significant turning point in AI's history, as advancements in deep learning and neural networks propelled the field forward. Modern AI has since been applied in various areas, including computer vision, image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition, natural language processing, NLP, speech recognition, language translation, and chatbots. Many others, robotics, expert systems, and predictive analytics. A legacy of innovation. AI's rich history, spanning over 6 decades, is a testament to the pioneers who laid the foundation for its development. From Turing, Minsky, and McCarthy to the modern-day researchers, AI's evolution is a story of innovation and perseverance. From rule-based systems to deep learning, AI's applications have expanded significantly over time, from rule-based systems to deep learning and neural networks. This progression has enabled AI to tackle complex tasks, make predictions, and learn from data, overcoming setbacks. Despite facing challenges like the AI winter, researchers continue to push the boundaries of AI, driving breakthroughs and fueling its resurgence, transforming industries and addressing global challenges. AI has revolutionized various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation, and its potential for solving global challenges continues to grow. Building upon the past. Appreciating AI's history allows us to build upon past achievements and create more advanced, innovative solutions. As we look ahead, ongoing advancements in AI technology promise even more revolutionary changes in the years to come. The future of AI. The possibilities are endless, and the potential is limitless. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, we can expect increased adoption. AI will become more ubiquitous in various industries and aspects of life. Further innovation. New AI applications and technologies will emerge, transforming the way we live and work. Global impact. AI will play a significant role in addressing global challenges and improving lives worldwide. The modern AI era is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of innovation. As we embrace the future of AI, we can expect a world of endless possibilities and transformative change. To stay informed and be a part of this exciting journey, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and share our content with others. Let's continue exploring the fascinating world of AI together and be prepared for the incredible possibilities that lie ahead.